Did you know that inside of Canva you can change the style of photos? Here on the screen I have a photo that I've just taken from the Canva library. I'm going to show you how we can change the style of this photo using Canva. So if we click on the photo and head up to edit, we can now see we have here an option called style match, and we can select see all. Now you can see all the different types of styles that you can use to change the photo. So if we was to choose sketch, Canva is now going to alter our image now to look like a sketch image, and that's the result that it's given us for a sketch image, and I think that looks pretty great really. And this is just a really great fun way of being able to alter photos that you might want to use and to make your designs look really fun. So if we choose the watercolor option now, we can see how Canva changes it to look like watercolor, and there we go, that's give us a really great watercolor image. If we scroll down, we can go to pop art. That might be really funky. That's coming back. That's quite retro at the moment. That's give our image a pop art look. So again, this would look really great on posters and things like that. And if we choose plush, that's made it look like a really cute plush toy now. And that's just a few examples of all the different options you have in Style Match that you can use to make your original picture, which is that one on the screen now, look totally different by using one of the Style Match options. And you can just have loads of fun, and it is a great way of altering your images and making your designs look super cool. Really hope you enjoyed this tutorial today. Thank you so much for watching. See you all again soon.